You know, when you check your oil, you want to use a clean rag, okay, and not a rag that's been laying in the back of the pickup, or maybe the rag you had on the lawnmower because it's got all the dust and debris all over this rag, and you're just introducing it right back into the engine block, into the oil, okay? So one of the things the oil is supposed to do is it lubricates the engine. Well, if you introduce a grain of sand, and a grain of sand is about 10/1000ths of an inch thick, some of these pistons, between the pistons and the cylinders, only have about 3 or 4 thousandths clearance. So if you introduce a piece of sand or a piece of dirt in there that is 10/1000ths click, it's like 2 to 3 times thicker than the clearance you have between a piston and a cylinder, and you can cause a lot of damage. I was a diesel technician for 10 years, and then I also taught diesel technology in a tech center for 12 years on top of that. So I can tell you from firsthand knowledge, I have seen what dirt being introduced either through the oil, through using dirty rags. Maybe this dipstick is not all the way down and seated. See, this particular dipstick has an O-ring, and you want to make sure that O-ring is clean too. You pull out these O-rings right now, this O-ring's got some dust on it. That dust, if it got knocked off and went down inside that crankcase, like I said, dust, a grain of sand, 10 inches thick, 10/1000ths of an inch thick. That's not good. That can destroy an engine in a heartbeat. Make sure your rag is clean. And then we're going to put it back in there. Okay, be careful when you stick it in the side so that you don't get, you don't knock it against the side like this. And then when you do, you got dirt from all over the dipstick tube. Okay, you got to clean that off. So you want to keep from introducing debris in your engine. The other